Hello, ayun, hello, Essence! Pagiging ka, hello! Thank you so much for, honestly, this is my first ever CSE. And I'm very grateful that I got to experience it with you guys. I just want to thank each and every one of you for taking a lot of effort to get here.
Maraming salamat po for getting here kasi na-appreciate ko every single one. Because when I celebrated my birthday, medyo cold siya in a way, pero with you guys, became more. Thank you so much for, kasi 21 na po. That's my debut year. Thank you so much po again, and sana in the coming years, mas marami tayo. And I'll promise na magiging better po kasi for you guys.
Ako po, syempre magpapasalamat kami. In behalf of the members ng Six Sense na wala dito, gusto namin magpasalamat kasi every time na nagkakaroon ng ganitong event, nakikita namin na may mga bagong faces and na-appreciate namin yung sobra. And gusto namin sabihin na every time na may nakikita kaming bagong muka, pinag-uusapan namin na sobrang na-appreciate namin yun na may mga bagong nakikinig ng music namin, may mga taong gustong sumuporta pa sa amin. Kahit na minsan ang hirap-hirap na naman may nangyayari sa lives natin, ganyan. Sobrang na-appreciate namin yun and gusto namin na ma-feel nyo na safe kayo sa amin as much as na-feel namin na safe kami sa inyo. Kaya, ayun, thank you so much for coming palaging sumusuporta sa Six Sense. Yun, we'll work hard para ma-deserve namin yung love na nakukuha namin sa inyo.